This is the fourth race we've taken the van to for the 2024 season. This is the Roval race, October 13th. We are traveling down the road. We've made our typical Bojangles stop that we usually make when we head east. The traffic is already bad, so we got that going. We're gonna get down there a little bit, do a little bit of shopping. I'm gonna try to find the cheapest clothes I can, as usual.
There's so many people coming to the Charlotte Roval. We can't even get there. Look.
Millions.
Millions and millions.
Obvious sellout. Justin, how was the first stage?
Sleepy.
Very sleepy time.
No passes. This car sucks.
Need new car.
Lot of tracks.
Yep. What do you think? Larson winning, make it half full, that not much action happened?
Well, this is better than Bristol.
Yeah, that's fair. It's better than it was better than Bristol.
It's a lot better.
Yeah.